Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another vlog. We are in Ooty. We're in a hotel right now. It's about 9 a.m. We're just heading up to the roof for breakfast. I found that in the hotel, the coffee is a bit tastier than the tea. So if you all have seen my previous Ooty vlog, you might be having an idea that a lot of our plans were thwarted because there were strikes. But today we are planning to go to two touristy places that are sort of nearby, the Rose Garden and the lake which has boating. The Rose Garden is just over a kilometer away and the weather is so pleasant. We're planning to walk, and once we visit that, we'll go to the other places by rickshaw or something. Let's see. Isn't that eucalyptus? Probably like more than 1,000 trees all around us and not another person in sight. That makes me kind of happy. So the Rose Garden costs the exact same amount to enter as the Botanical Gardens, and we paid 110 rupees for 2 adults as well as my camera. There are hardly any roses, just a few buds here and there. I think as it goes more into April and into May, that's when the flowers are going to peak. I thought this was a very small area and I was like, okay, we paid that amount just for this tiny little area, until Mom actually pointed out to me that it's a lot larger than it seems. Like a lot of gardens in the hills of Tamil Nadu, this is actually done on the side of a mountain, so you can see a lot behind me as well. This is the cat we've been feeding since 3 days. We came earlier, we looked for her but she was not there. We went away and ate some things and we came back in search of her and we found her. It was such a happy time to see her. So we just took a walk in the area and we got takeout. There aren't that many like good restaurants which you would feel nice about sitting and eating at. There's just one called Cafe Royal, but we went there and had like a really annoying experience, so I don't want to go back. But there are a lot of smaller, humble eateries that have really delicious food. So today we're having chicken from this little shop nearby, and from another restaurant we're having tomato rice. It's so good. You haven't lived until you've had tomato rice. It's delicious. And with the rice we also got sambar and some curd. We bought more curd, so it's all good. So that's it for this vacation. We've packed our bags and we're just about to call the bellboy and go downstairs. I can't believe 6 days went by so fast. Do you remember, like, we just came here, Mom, and we thought there was going to be a long vacation, but it's over now almost.
It's for all vacations mostly.
That's true. We did not get so much done on this vacation. Like, we were not super productive or active, but just because it's a very relaxing place. We had a great time, and now we're off to take a rickshaw to destination number 2. And I'm going to be celebrating my birthday there as well. It's going to be nice. So I have to get going, and I will see you guys in my next video or vlog or wherever. Bye.